This conference will now be recorded.
Thank you, Jitsu.
And one small announcement I have left. Rahul sir will share one Google form before the 30 minutes of the end of the class. This Google form is created and maintained by your college authority. So for everyone, it is mandatory to fill up the Google form. It will take as attendance. Okay, so every day before the class end, and we will share the Google form on today because it's the first day. But we will keep this form with you, and every day during the class, please fill up this form because it is directly reflected at your department with the HOD and training placement cell. They will take the attendance directly. So this Google Form attendance is mandatory for all of you. Otherwise, your certification there will be any glitch. So that's why I request to all of one, please very carefully every day fill up the Google Form. We will share on today because first day, but from the next day you will directly just fill up. We will not share. This form will be same for all the classes. Okay. So Rahul sir, you can start the session.
Hello, is it audible? सुन पा रहे हैं आप लोग?
Yes sir, it is audible.
Okay, it is audible. Okay, fine. अमृताक्षर चक्रवर्ती, ये क्या है? Yes, ISR. Okay, fine. So we will start our session. We'll start with IoT, but before starting with IoT,
Rahul sir, one thing, few
Yeah.
students there with waiting for name. It is showing here. I request all of one, please join the session with your proper name. Otherwise, this Google Form attendance and the GoToMeeting attendance will not be verified. At the end of the total training program, this Google Form attendance and GoToMeeting downloaded attendance will be verified. So it is very problematic to verify your attendance. So I request all of one, please join with your proper name and mail ID. At least with proper name. Mail ID is optional. At least with proper name. If you if you are joining from your mobile phone, at the right on the top corner, there is the students list. From there, you can edit your name, or on the left side in the corner of the mobile phone, you can edit your name, and from your laptop, you can directly change your name. If any problem, please leave the session and rejoin the session with proper name, because it will be required for your certification and verification of the attendance.
okay, thank you, sir. Okay, let's start the session. I hope now it is clearly audible, right? Now it is clearly audible, right? Okay, fine. Thank you so much. So how are you all? कैसे आप लोग? Jadip, how are you? Devojyoti Ghosh, how are you? Fine. Absolutely good. Perfect. So, okay. We will start with our session, but before that, I would like to interact with some of those who are actually interacting in the chat box, like Devojyoti Datta, Rahul Raj, Moinak, Amritakshar. Okay, thank you for your kind feedback, and let's start. We are already wasted our 15 minutes. So we are here for IoT. Who can say what is IoT? What is IoT? प्लीज बताइएगा, जो आपको लगता है सही आप बता सकते हो. व्हाट इज IoT? इंटरनेट ऑफ थिंग्स है, बहुत अच्छी बात है, बट मैंने फुल फॉर्म नहीं पूछा. अमृताक्षर, मैंने फुल फॉर्म नहीं पूछा. आई डिडंट आस्क द फुल फॉर्म, आई आस्क्ड व्हाट इज IoT. Internet of Things is the full form, okay, right? When the device is connected with the internet. Exactly. Devojyoti has given the correct answer. It is the medium to connect other electronic components over the internet. Moinak, more or less, you are also correct. Connecting devices and okay. Devojyoti, okay. Amritaksha, yeah, the network of physical object. Now, Amritaksha, you have given the correct answer. Right. Okay, that's it. So generally आप लोगों को पता है actually Internet of Things क्या है, मतलब actually वो things क्या होता है? What is that things? What is that things in Internet of Things? Can anybody say? इसको Internet of Things कहते हैं. It is called Internet of Things. Internet, perfect. Right? You know what is Internet, right? What is that things? What is things? What is things? What is things? Okay, sensor software. Sensor software क्या होता है भाई? Sorin Kumar Das, what is sensor software? Rahul Raj has given the correct answer. That is physical devices. Meghna Nair, yes. Objects that are able to collect and transfer data. Yes, these are the actual devices. We are talking about the devices, right? We are talking about the devices. Absolutely correct. Sensor software, मैं बताऊंगा. Sensor actually कुछ अलग चीज है. आपको पता होगा. You know better than me what is sensor, right? And what is the software that is generally used in order to do all these things, in order to compute all these things together? That is the next part. We will come to after that. Okay, please mute. Those who are who have unmuted, please mute. Okay. Now, okay, one more answer we got, that IoT system Arijit Pramanik, IoT system consists of sensors/devices which talk to the cloud through some kind of connectivity. Exactly, talk to the cloud. Actually, cloud is the storage. Is the storage. It is actually used for the storage purpose. Right, जहाँ पर data store करा जाता है बाद में analytics के लिए. So how we go for analytics, that we will speak after. So in brief, I would like to explain. When we will browse through Google, when we will browse through some books, but generally देखिएगा हम लोग आज books का इस्तेमाल बहुत कम करते हैं. We generally try to browse through Google. Okay, so if you visit 10 websites, then you will get 10 different types of definitions for Internet of Things, more or less interconnected with each other, right? So Internet of Things. I just asked you the answer. What is the thing in Internet of Things? So a thing in the context of Internet of Things, it can be any entity, right? It can be any entity or it can be any physical object. It can be any entity which denotes what? Which denotes a physical object, right? Which denotes a physical object. And this particular physical object has a unique ID. Remember that. All the physical objects that are connected has a unique ID. Okay, and these devices has got the capability, or you can say the ability, to transfer data through the network or over the network. Right? Am I right? Do you agree? Agree करते हैं ना इसके साथ? So a thing, as I said, is an entity or it's a physical object, right? So the question may arise that how they are working. How they are working? They work on both wired technology as well as wireless technology, right? They work on both wire as well as wireless technologies. Okay, now Internet of Things, the whole thing, as we speak about Internet of Things, it is a system. Okay, or you can say it's a network. It's fully a network. It's a network where the devices are generally interrelated. These devices can be of any type. This can be digital devices, this can be electrical, this can be mechanical devices. Okay, right? But always remember that these devices are provided unique identifiers. Means they have a unique ID, or you can say UID. And thus, these devices have the ability or capability to transfer the data over the network. And this is done without human-to-human intervention or human-to-computer interaction. Without human-to-human intervention or human-to-computer interactions. We don't require all these things. Now, थोड़ा clear हुआ? लेमन्स टर्म पे क्लियर हुआ व्हाट इज IoT? प्लीज रिप्लाई कीजिएगा प्लीज। Okay, thank you. Thank you everyone. Now, Achha, can you say one thing? As we said that the things in Internet of Things are generally devices. These are sensors. क्या वो एक human हो सकता है? Can it be human? Can it be a human?
কালকে লাস্ট ডেট তো দিতে হবে তো।
Who is this Suman Chandra?
হ্যাঁ করবো আজকে, এই তো।
Okay, fine. So a thing in the Internet of Things, can it be a person? Okay, it can be a human. It can be a human. Okay, so how a human is actually transforming the data? Human के body में तो current नहीं हो सकता ना? Can you give me an example? Urjit Pramanik, you said that yes, it can be human. Can you give me an example? Can anybody give me an example that the things in Internet of Things can be a human? Okay, I agree. एक human भी हो सकता है. वो things में human भी आता है. But Uber, okay. No, if I give you an example, something like this, a simple example लेते हैं, ठीक है? Urjit Pramanik said that human refers to interaction between human and to other two subsystem. ठीक है, आप जो बोल रहे हो, ठीक है? Urjit Pramanik, it is also correct. ठीक है, वो इंटरनेट ऑफ एवरीथिंग कहते हैं, इंटरनेट ऑफ थिंग्स नहीं, इंटरनेट ऑफ एवरीथिंग्स कहते हैं, IoE, right? Right. And one example I got for the Uber, okay, you also said it's correct, but I would like to say a simple example मैं आपको दे रहा हूँ. A person जिसके बॉडी में हार्ट मॉनिटर इम्प्लांट किया गया है, a person with a heart monitor implant in it, right? A person who has got a heart monitor inside his body, isn't it? That can be, that then we can say that a thing is actually referring to the human, isn't it? Right? Now the things can also work, or you can also find the application of these things in automobile. How? An automobile which has built-in sensors, an automobile which has built-in sensors, which actually means it keeps on informing the driver. Okay, it keeps on informing the driver. Okay, or which keeps on, yes, autonomous car, yes, you are absolutely right. So this automobile has a built-in sensor which is actually alerting the driver about what? About what? About some problems in the car. Suppose take an example that the pressure in the tire is low, air pressure in the tire is low. Yes, in coming traffic also. Okay, if there is some problem with the axle, if there is some problem with the axle, that is also represented to the driver. If some external device is fit to the car, कोई कुछ device fit कर देता है कार में, तो भी वो क्या करता है, वो it will actually alert the driver that some external devices have been fit to the car. Right? So the driver is getting alert when the tire pressure is low, or any other natural or man-made object that has been assigned as internet protocol. No? It has been actually assigned an internet protocol. Until and unless an IP address is assigned, it cannot be able to transfer the data, right? So that is the most important part. That is the most important part. And that device must also have the capability to transfer data over the network. Right? So always remember, this is all about IoT. This is not all about IoT. I would just say that we are just trying to gain some knowledge about this. What is IoT? What is things in Internet of Things? Right? So ये concept जो है, ये कोई नया concept नहीं है. ये concept बहुत पुराना है. ठीक है? बहुत पुराना concept है IoT का. But today we are trying to implement it. जैसे हम लोग एक थोड़ा समय और ब्रॉड सेंस पे बताना चाहूंगा आप लोगों को। मशीन लर्निंग का बारे में सुना है ना आप लोगों ने? मशीन लर्निंग, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, मशीन लर्निंग, हैव यू हर्ड अबाउट दिस ऑल थिंग? ठीक है, ठीक है, आपने इसको पढ़ा है, बट वन थिंग यू से, क्या ये मशीन लर्निंग नया टर्म है? इज इट अ न्यू टर्म? इज इट अ न्यू टर्म मशीन लर्निंग? नो, इट्स नॉट अ न्यू टर्म। मीन्स मशीन लर्निंग ये लास्ट हम 4-5 साल से जान रहे हैं कि yes, it has gained its importance, it is gaining its importance, right? But that doesn't mean that it is there in this world for last 5 to 6 years, for last 10 years. No, this artificial intelligence, it is not a it's not a new term. ये बहुत ही पुराना था, बहुत ही पुराना है, 30-40 years ago इसका concept already दिया हुआ है. But can you tell me, but can anybody tell me why its implementation is given today? इसका implementation आज ही क्यों दिया जा रहा है, या फिर today's world में क्यों दिया जा रहा है इसका implementation? Why? आज से 10 years back क्यों नहीं गया? मतलब 10 साल पीछे अगर हम लोग चले जाएं, 2000 में चले जाएं, if you go to the year 2000, everything has become advanced by 2000, 2002, 2005. ठीक है, तो उस वक्त मशीन लर्निंग, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस क्यों नहीं था? ओके, yes, Devojyoti, you have given the correct answer. Your concept is highly clear, Devojyoti. Yes. Mohini Kumar, your concept is also clear. More data. Today we have got more data. और एक चीज आप ऐड कर सकते थे. By 2000 we didn't have a system. इतना powerful system नहीं था हमारे पास, right? Just go back to 2000. आपका वहां पर जो प्रोसेसर यूज होता था, क्या होता था प्रोसेसर? What type of processor यूज होता? क्या प्रोसेसर यूज होता? Generally dual core. Suppose take an example of dual core. Take an example of dual core. या फिर Pentium. Hard disk, how much? 80 GB, max to max 80 GB. जिसके पास 80 GB होता था, मतलब मत पूछो, अरे यार तेरे पास इतना अच्छा कंप्यूटर है, right? 80 GB hard disk, 80 GB storage है. Just think about it. But today you are getting a laptop, or you are getting a system which has a minimum of i7 to i9 processor, right? You are having a storage of 1 to 2 TB, right? प्रोसेसर का स्पीड जो है वो कई गुना गीगाहर्ट्ज में है, कई गुना गीगाहर्ट्ज में है, right? And one thing I would like to say, data generation. क्या 2000 में फेसबुक था? या 2000 में फेसबुक था? नो. ट्विटर? नो. लोग इतना मेल करते थे? नहीं. क्या इतना सीसीटीवी कैमरा इंस्टॉलेशन थे? नहीं. क्या इतने लोग ज्यादा फ्लाइट से ट्रैवल करते थे? लेस करते थे, राइट? ओके, सो ऑल दिस थिंग्स आर व्हाट? ये ऐसा सोर्सेस है जहां पर हद से ज्यादा डेटा जनरेट होता है. लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ डेटा इज जनरेटेड. सो टुडे वी हैव गॉट द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टर्म, दैट इज द डेटा. डेटा की कोई कमी नहीं है हमारे पास. वी हैव गॉट द लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ डेटा. It is only because of this data that machine learning and artificial intelligence is gaining its importance nowadays. Has gained its importance नहीं बोल सकेंगे, it is gaining importance क्योंकि रिसर्च अभी तक कंप्लीट नहीं है. Lots and lots of researchers still left. ठीक है, 5 to 10% field completed. Only 5 to 10% of the field is completed. Let 90 to 95% of the field is yet left to be completed. Artificial intelligence, it is not a very small field. It's a very, very, very broad field. Okay, so research is still left. Let's see what's going to be in the future. Okay, Amritakshu, you gave the answer. Because of new computing technologies, machine learning today is not like machine, a practical way of implementing machine learning application. Machine learning can be used to achieve higher level of efficiency. ठीक है Amritakshu, you are very correct. आप बहुत अच्छे आंसर दिए हो. बट ये आंसर जानते हो क्या है? ये एक्चुअली एग्जाम में लिखकर पास करने के लिए है और 2 out of 2 मार्क्स स्कोर करने के लिए एकदम परफेक्ट मिल जाएगा. Right? But अगर आप किसी को समझाना चाहो तो you need to be philosophically very strong. ठीक है? If you want to gain success, then you need to be philosophically very strong. And the second thing, coding आपका पूरा strong होना चाहिए. Even if your coding is strong and if you're philosophically weak, then that is going to cause a problem. I hope you agree with me. Everybody agree with me. You have to be important in both, right? You have to be means excellent in both. Philosophically भी आपको strong होना पड़ेगा, coding में भी आपको strong होना पड़ेगा, ठीक है? क्योंकि आजकल देखिएगा 6 to 7 years के जो किड्स हैं उनको लिए बोला जा रहा है कोडिंग करने के लिए, ठीक है? तो पता नहीं कहाँ तक सक्सेस होगा, मुझे नहीं पता एक्चुअली, ठीक है? So that's it. That's all I would like to say. Just conceptually मैं आप लोगों का मींस डाउट्स को क्लियर करना चाहता हूँ, ठीक है? तो IoT लेकर मैं आपका स्टार्ट करूंगा. I will start with IoT practicals. I will start. Okay, I have to get the devices also. But the experiment, whatever experiment I will show you, each and every experiment is going to be over the internet. सब कुछ हमारे इंटरनेट के ऊपर होगा. डिवाइसेस मैं सेटअप करूंगा, कंट्रोल आप लोग करोगे, राइट? You are going to control that because over the internet हो रहा है ना, तो over the internet means no foundation, isn't it? अगर आप अमेरिका में बैठे हो तो भी मैं आपको मेल भेज सकता हूँ, आप मुझे मेल भेज सकते हो. You can video call me, I can video call you, okay? Or you can call me or I can call you, because only because of this internet. So taking that example, I will set up the device at my place and you are going to control the device, right? Okay? उसके लिए अगर हम लोगों को कुछ एप्लीकेशंस वगैरह बनाने पड़े एंड्रॉइड वगैरह में, तो एप्लीकेशंस हम लोग बना लेंगे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. एप्लीकेशंस बनाना कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. Okay, have faith in me. I will teach you how to make applications also in Android. Okay, we will waste 2 to 3 classes, but you will be able to understand. You will get the importance also how we are actually making the Android applications for controlling these devices. Okay. Before that, I would like to ask few things. सबने Arduino लेकर काम किया है ना? Arduino. Arduino. Okay. How many analog pins are there in Arduino? Arduino में कितने analog pins होते हैं? Please बताइएगा एक बार. How many analog pins are there in Arduino? How many? 14 analog pins. Okay, Urijit, thank you. Next, कितने analog pins होते हैं? 0 to 13 analog pins होते हैं. Very nice. Saptashri. Urijit and Saptashri. Okay, इतने सारे analog pins होते हैं. Very nice. Next, anybody else, please? Please, I want the answer, please. देखिए, अगर सेशन बोरिंग होगा, you can directly have a talk with me. You can chat with me. हम लोग थोड़ी इधर उधर का बात करेंगे. सेशन बोरिंग एकदम नहीं होगा. How many analog pins are there in Arduino? You tell me in the chat. Okay. ठीक है. Sumaya Farhat said 6 analog pins. Rupal Ray said 6 analog pins. What about the rest of the people? आप लोगों ने कभी Arduino से काम नहीं किया क्या? अरे देखा तो है Arduino बोर्ड. अच्छा, काम नहीं किया, देखा है ना? Yes. There are 6 analog pins, A0 to A5. Saptashri and Urijit, आप लोगों ने गलत आंसर दिया है. Saptashri and Urijit, you have given the wrong answer. 14 analog pins नहीं होते. 14 analog pins नहीं होते. There are 6 analog pins from A0 till A5. Amritaksha Chakraborty has given the correct answer. Salini Saha has given the correct answer. Sumaya Farhat has given the correct answer. Rupal Ray has given the correct answer. Digital pins 14. right? Okay. Acha, Arduino is a microcontroller, right? It contains a microcontroller. What is the microcontroller? कौन सा microcontroller है Arduino board में fit रहता है? Please बताइएगा. Arduino, you know. Okay, on Arduino, you know which microcontroller is does the board contain? Just general interaction हो रहा है, कुछ नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. Please tell me. 80 mega. Yes, 80 mega. 80 mega. Rahul Raj has given the correct answer. 80 mega. Okay. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. Right. Right. Correct. Absolutely correct. Okay. ठीक है. So इससे सीरियल कम्युनिकेशन होता है या पैरेलल कम्युनिकेशन? अच्छा, आर्डिनो पर जो 0 एंड 1 डिजिटल पिन जो 0 एंड 1 होता है, 0 and 1, what is the purpose of that 0 and 1? What is the purpose of that 0 and 1? Please tell me. What is the purpose of 0 and 1? The digital pin 0 and 1. What is the purpose? Somojit, I will tell. I will tell. Analog pin, digital pin, I will everything I will tell. But first tell me what is the purpose of that 0 and 1? Serial communication. Serial communication. Okay. Serial communication और parallel communication में एक difference बताइएगा. One difference, just one difference. If you want, you can speak also. No problem. What is the difference between serial communication and parallel communication? दोनों में difference क्या है? क्या होता है serial communication और क्या होता है parallel communication? What it is? Parallel communication is a method of conveying multiple binary digits, single and multiple bit transmission. Okay. ठीक है, correct. So most of you have a good knowledge. ठीक है, बहुत अच्छी बात है. Okay. So I received one question. That is from Somjit Das. What is the difference between analog and digital pins? Who can say? অমৃতাক্ষ, তুমি কি কোথা থেকে কোশ্চেন মানে আনসার গুলো কপি পেস্ট করছো নাকি অমৃতাক্ষ? ওকে 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 ফাইন ফাইন। তো হোয়াট ইজ দ্য ডিফারেন্স বিটুইন অ্যানালগ পিন? হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে, আরে আমি বুঝতে পেরেছি, না না তুমি টাইপ করছো। হোয়াট ইজ দ্য ডিফারেন্স বিটুইন অ্যানালগ পিন এন্ড ডিজিটাল পিন? হু ক্যান সে হোয়াট ইজ দ্য ডিফারেন্স বিটুইন অ্যানালগ পিন এন্ড ডিজিটাল পিনস? What is the difference between analog pins and digital pins? Okay, okay, whatever. Okay, Somjit, just have it. Somjit, শুনতে পাচ্ছো? Yes, দেখো অ্যানালগ পিন যেটা আছে, অ্যানালগ পিন যেটা, analog pin actually in Arduino Uno, I will tell you, the lowest value is 0 and the highest value is 1023. Okay, the lowest value is 0 and 1023. Means if you are working on analog pin, the analog pins actually accepts any value between 0 and 1023. Okay, right, between 0 and 1023. But the digital pin, it always gives the output in the form of high and low. It always gives the output in the form of high and low, that is in the form of 0 and 1. Getting the point? Okay, and the most important difference, which I have not said, the most important difference, actually the analog pins helps us to write and read analog values. Okay, it helps us to read and write analog values instead of giving a voltage, instead of giving out a voltage. And this voltage will be from 0 volt and 5 volt signals, right? Means we can say that analog pins actually do what? Analog pins actually sends pulses of 0 volt and 5 volt. They actually send pulses. Okay, they actually send a pulse of 0 volt and 5 volt signal, and thus they generate the output. Getting the point? Is it now? Is it clear? And in the terms of digital, 0 and 1, 0 and 1 are the responses. Okay, 0 and 1 are the responses. Right? So this is going to be the difference. This is going to be the difference. Yes, it varies between 0 and 102. Yes. Right. ঠিক আছে, মানে তুমি জিনিসটা জানো, জাস্ট একটু মানে রিভিশন করে দিলে তোমার it will be clear, right? Isn't it, Somjit? So I will do that, don't worry. Your concept is clear, just a little bit of. Okay, okay, fine. So I hope now it is clear. Right. And when we are converting some value of an Arduino from analog to digital, that also we can do, right? If you have heard about Arduino, and if you have somewhere worked on Arduino, you must have heard that we can convert analog signal to digital signal, or analog value to digital. Okay, always remember that when Arduino Uno is converting analog to digital, okay, then it has got a 10-bit converter. It has got a inbuilt 10-bit converter. So Arduino Uno has a 10-bit analog to digital converter. Okay, it has got a 10-bit analog to digital converter. Clear? Right? Now is it clear to everyone? Any doubt? Shall we move? Shall we proceed? Only, yeah. Okay, okay, fine. और एक चीज मैं आपको बताता हूँ, सिमुलेटर पे काम किया कभी आप लोगों ने? सिमुलेटर, ऑब्वियसली आईओटी का काम सिमुलेटर पर नहीं हो सकता है, बट जनरली फिर भी जनरल प्रैक्टिस के लिए सिमुलेटर, हैव यू एवर referred to any simulator? Which one? Which one? Moinak and Monoswita, which one? Can you please tell me the name? Moinak, Monoswita, which simulator have you used? Okay, Octave. You have used Octave, right, right. Okay, okay. So the basics like LED on and off. Okay, we are not going to use much of the simulator, because I will switch on the webcam and I will show you. I will switch on the webcam and I will show you each and everything. एक बेसिक टिंकर कैट के बारे में सुना आप लोगों ने? टिंकर कैट, टिंकर कैट, ये अगर सर्किट डिजाइन करना चाहते हो आप लोग, इफ यू वांट टू डिजाइन सम सर्किट्स, टिंकर कैट बहुत अच्छा है. यू कैन यूज दिस पर्टिकुलर प्लेटफॉर्म. Okay, you can use this particular platform, Tinkercad. I'm not telling you that you have to use it, but if you want, you can use it. So that was the difference. And one more thing. Please give us some practical examples. Please give me some practical examples where IoT is applicable today. IoT आज कहाँ use हो रहा है? Please give me some practical examples where IoT is used. What is the practical example of IoT? Practical examples or practical application of IoT. Amazon Alexa, Google Home. Okay. You are absolutely right. I will tell you where. Yes. Everybody has got a good idea. A basic example. See, Rahul Raj has given a basic example, that is Android TV. ठीक है. मैं ट्रेंडिंग कुछ बता देता हूँ आप लोगों को. With IoT applications, Dish TV also. Yes, Dish TV. Heart rate monitor. Yes. Amritaksha Chakraborty, you are right. Heart rate monitor also. Dish TV also. Smart homes. Yes. Everybody. सब सही है भाई, सब सही है. ठीक है, 100% सब सही है. देखिएगा, मैं आपको बताता हूँ. आई वुड लाइक टू से, देखिए IoT एनालिटिक्स जो है, means it is continuing in the track. Okay, and we never know actually what is the project, what are the projects that are going to be established. कब क्या establish हो जाए नहीं पता है. ठीक है, जब भी कुछ नया establish हो जा रहा है, that is be actually added to the applications of IoT, real-time application of IoT. Okay, real-time applications of IoT. Now 2020 के एनालिसिस के हिसाब से ये पाया गया है, it is found that manufacturing, most of the IoT projects are happening in the manufacturing and industrial, manufacturing and industrial sectors, manufacturing sectors, industrial sectors, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में भी है, रिटेल में है, हेल्थ केयर में है. So these are the few name. Basically, these are the areas which is actually getting vastly extensively exposed to IoT. Okay, extensively exposed to IoT. Now the most trending applications areas, okay, or you can say that the hottest areas where IoT is getting its importance, okay, where it is getting its importance is the industrial sector. Right? So manufacturers, industrial operations, or industrial operators, they are actually combining the IoT technologies, and they are gaining expertise in industrial means what to say, industrial applications or industrial expertise. Okay, so how IoT is helping? Actually, IoT is helping just for better collaborations, and if there is a better collaboration, definitely they are going to solve the problem faster, right? And if the problem is solved faster, then the productivity is increased. That's it, right? So this is the most important place where IoT is getting used. Okay, now inside industry, IoT is generally used for automation. It is used for automation. Okay, it is used for automations. Next, IoT is, yeah. Omitaksha, I'm repeating. See, take an example of transportation, or you can say mobility. Transportation, mobility. So transportation, mobility, all these sectors before after industrial, और इंडस्ट्री में भी अगर होता है तो क्या होता है भाई, ये जो व्हीकल्स वगैरह है ये कहाँ बनते हैं? इंडस्ट्री में तो बनते हैं ना. ठीक है, उसके बाद ही तो मार्केट में आ रहा है, रोड पर आ रहा है, राइट? सो ट्रांसपोर्टेशन का अगर हम लोग बात करें तो ट्रांसपोर्टेशन पे कोई देखिए रोड पे खड़ा होकर गाड़ी नहीं बनाता है. डेफिनेटली इट इज बिल्ट इन द इंडस्ट्री, एंड आफ्टर दैट इट इज ब्रॉट टू द मार्केट, इट इज ब्रॉट टू द ऑन रोड, राइट? सो ये ट्रांसपोर्टेशन मोबिलिटी जो है, इट इज वन ऑफ द मींस largest IoT application area or applicable area in 2020, right? Means pretty much cars are actually, or vehicles are actually manufactured that is following the IoT technologies. Okay, why? Because connection, because of connection, connected solutions. A connected solution जो है ना, this connected solution, this is actually bringing the increased vehicles, okay, to the customers with safety, with better safety, with better services, with better operators, and thus the customer is able to operate that particular applicable device or gadget on the road or for its convenience. Right? Deep Malik, please mute. So we will discuss about all these things, and if we try to understand the concept where IoT is used, जैसे आप लोगों ने बताया, यहाँ पर भी बहुत कुछ है. स्मार्ट सिटीज की अगर बात करो तो व्हाट आर द स्मार्ट सिटीज में कहाँ एप्लीकेबल है? स्मार्ट पार्किंग, देयर इज अ स्मार्ट पार्किंग, स्मार्ट ट्रैफिक मैनेजमेंट, राइट? स्मार्ट वेस्टेज, दैट इज स्मार्ट गार्बेज कलेक्शन, स्मार्ट लाइटनिंग, पब्लिक का सेफ्टी अगर ले ले तो वीडियो सर्वाइलेंस, सीसीटीवी सर्वाइलेंस, राइट? और फिर पब्लिक का सेफ्टी को अगर ले तो एनवायरमेंटल मॉनिटरिंग कहते हैं उसको, दैट इज एयर पोल्यूशन, राइट? सो ऑल दिस थिंग्स रिफर्स टू ओनली वन टॉपिक, दैट इज स्मार्ट सिटीज. ये अलग अलग टॉपिक नहीं है, याद रखिएगा. सबको लगता है कि मैं बोलूंगा स्मार्ट सिटीज, ट्रैफिक मैनेजमेंट, smart wastage, lightning, smart light. So all these things will be considered as different topics. No, it's not like that, please. ठीक है, ऐसा कभी नहीं होता है. All these things, they fall under one classification, and that classification is actually smart cities. That is smart cities. Okay. So these are the actual applications where it is used, where IoT is getting means finding its what to say dominance in the field of cities or smart cities, in building smart cities. Okay. Next. You know what is the work of barcode? Can anybody tell me what is the work of barcode? Barcode किस काम में आता है? Can anybody tell me what is the work of barcode? What is the work of barcode? कोई भी डिवाइस कोई भी मतलब प्रोडक्ट निकलता है ना मार्केट से, सॉरी इंडस्ट्री से, वो मार्केट में आने से पहले उस पर देखेंगे बारकोड छपा हुआ रहता है. व्हाई? व्हाट इज द पर्पस ऑफ बारकोड? व्हाट इज द पर्पस ऑफ बारकोड? प्लीज राइट डाउन इन द चैट, please. Okay, Debojyoti. Okay, I will consider your answer, but before that, let some other persons also write that. I'm waiting. What is the use of that barcode? Why barcode is printed on a okay, encode information into visual pattern that a barcode scanner can read. It contains information about a particular product that can be decoded with the scanner. Okay. Okay, fine. ठीक है, अच्छी बात है. क्या बारकोड is barcode an example of IoT? Barcode is not a example of IoT. Okay. How many of you say that barcode is not an example of IoT? Barcode scanner might be considered as a example of IoT. Okay. Fine. Rahul Raj, you have given the correct answer. Means asset tracking. You have given me the example of asset tracking. Rahul Raj, your concept is highly clear. Okay. You haven't given me the answer in yes and no, but you have given me a very correct answer that the barcode scanner have the yeah. You have given the example of asset tracking with IoT barcode scanner. Okay, you've given me an example of asset tracking with an IoT barcode scanner. I will discuss about this whole thing. Okay, I will discuss about this whole thing. This is a very interesting. This is a very interesting part that we are going to discuss. But before that, I would not like to divert the topic. I would not like to divert the topic. I will come to this topic. Okay, but before that, I would like to say that IoT is also used in the field of health. Right? That means wearables or sensors are connected to the patients, and these are actually allowing the doctors to monitoring the patient's condition outside the hospital also in real time. Isn't it? Sensors are actually connected to the patients, and doctors are able to monitor the patient's condition even when the patient is not in the hospital. So it is actually helping to improve the care of patients, right? And thus they are preventing high risks. They are preventing high risk. Traffic monitoring, if you take an example of traffic monitoring, then traffic monitoring, then when we are using our mobile phones, as sensors, okay, then the phone is actually collecting and sharing data from our vehicles, right? The phone is actually collecting data from our vehicles through where? Through Google Maps, you can say. Google Maps. Right? It is actually helping where? It is helping in traffic monitoring. Right? So definitely we are using Internet of Things. This is an example of Internet of Things. Because Google Map is doing what? It is actually showing the conditions of different. Google Map is actually showing the conditions of different routes. It is also feeding and improving the information of different routes. It is also evaluating distance. It is also evaluating destination. It is also evaluating estimated time of arrival. Okay, so when we are using our phones as sensors, means we are actually collecting and sharing data from our vehicles. And that data is collected from our vehicles, and we are actually sharing it through Waze, or we are sharing it through Google Maps, whatever you are using or you are comfortable to. Okay, so this is one of the. I will tell, Somjit, I will tell. Okay, how IoT barcode scanner works as an IoT device. I will tell you afterwards. I will tell. Okay, I will tell. I will come to each and every part. Okay, I will come to each and every part. Don't worry. Okay, fine. Now, okay, Amritaksha is writing, I have heard of LAN Guardian. Can it be taken as an example of IoT? See, LAN Guardian, it is actually a LAN Guardian যেটা হচ্ছে ওটা কিন্তু সিকিউরিটি মনিটরিং সফটওয়্যার কিন্তু ওকে Netfort it's a product of Netfort. It is actually a security monitoring software, LAN Guardian. Okay, it's a security monitoring software. So if you have IoT devices on the network, okay, and if they are patched together, then you can use of this LAN Guardian. It is also used to means monitor network traffic as well as security also monitoring software. Okay, so we are actually if you want, you can use LAN Guardian for these purposes, right? But it comes under network traffic management software. Are you getting the point? It is actually means used to capture the IP addresses. Whatever internal traffic is going on, it is actually used to capture the IP addresses. Okay, and this software is actually responsible for storing the results in the database. Okay, if something unconditional happens, this software is going to generate alerts. So how it is actually providing means the traffic data? It is actually providing the access to traffic data through some interface, or we can say web interface. Okay, are you getting the point? So it is actually used to capture network traffic. LAN Guardian. So LAN Guardian means it's not that easy. Okay, it's not that easy. माने जो तो भावे माने जितना अच्छा से मैं बोल दे रहा हूँ आस्ते से, मतलब आप लोगों को मतलब 2 लाइन में 3 लाइन में आप लोग समझ जा रहे हो। LAN Guardian याद रखिएगा इतना आसान नहीं है। इसका इंस्टॉलेशन करना एक सिटी में, इसका डिप्लॉयमेंट करना, okay, it's not that easy. It's not that easy for LAN Guardian. I will tell you. I'm telling you. So don't think that if I'm telling you so casually, LAN Guardian is means taken into consideration so casually. No, it's not like that. I will tell you whenever I will get some free time, I will tell you how to design LAN Guardian. Okay, which will actually give you a powerful network security monitor. Okay, but always remember that it always works on traffic data. It always works on traffic data. Okay, so LAN Guardian is right now not our topic. Okay, but what is LAN Guardian? I told you. It can be employed. It can be employed with IoT means devices. It can be employed with that, but alone it cannot function. It always works on traffic data. Getting the point? Is it clear? And it belongs to NetFort. Okay, perfect, perfect. So let's move ahead. Next is the fleet management. IoT is highly used in fleet management. Fleet management. Fleet. IoT, fleet management. Right? So means the installation of sensors in fleet vehicles. Fleet vehicles. Fleet vehicles. If we install sensors in fleet vehicles, okay, then we establish a effective interconnectivity between the vehicles and their drivers. Means they can know about each and other status. They can know about each and other's operations and needs of the vehicles. Right? So that's it. That is called fleet management. So here also IoT is giving a real-time application. Okay. Fine. So this is an example. Means if there is a problem, an alarm will ring. That's it. Connected over the internet. Agriculture, that type of just remember that agriculture in smart farms, okay, smart automatic watering system to the plants. I will make you this project. I will let you make this project. This is going to be one of our projects. It's a very trending topic. Okay, it's a very trending topic. Do not worry. I will tell you each and everything how to do all these things. Okay, so this is going to be a trending topic, but agriculture, always remember that smart farms. Smart farms. Okay, means depending upon the quality of the soil, the plants are actually supplied water whenever there is a need for it. There is a need for it, not all the time. Okay, that means the farmer is having the possibility to access the detailed area, okay, only from the valuable information that the soil is conveying. And that particular information is captured by the sensor. This is actually deployed to the sensor. Okay, so this valuable information is actually speaking about the soil condition, which is further interpreted by the farmer. Okay. So how to obtain the state of the soil? I will tell. This thing also I will show you how to obtain the state of the soil. Okay. The level of acidity, the moisture content in the soil, the presence of the nutrient, temperature, chemical characteristics, lots and lots of things are there. ठीक है, तो बहुत कुछ है, तो मैं आप लोगों को बताऊंगा डेफिनेटली कैसे क्या मॉनिटर किया जाता है, डोंट वरी। इसके ऊपर आई विल जस्ट टेल यू वन थिंग, आई विल प्रोवाइड यू सम स्टडी मटेरियल आल्सो टुडे, not today, definitely tomorrow I will give you, but I will try to give it today only, so that so that so that you'll be able to actually gain the insights. What is IoT? What is the applications of IoT? Okay, future scope of IoT. Okay, how it is different from machine learning, artificial intelligence, or where machine learning and artificial intelligence is actually applicable in the field of IoT. Okay, that's very important question. A very very important question. Okay, so hope so. अभी तक हम लोगों ने जो भी बकबक किया, at least you understood whatever I said. Do anybody has any problem? Do anybody has any problem? ठीक है, आप लोगों ने भी बहुत कुछ शेयर किया, मैंने भी बहुत कुछ शेयर किया, ठीक है, तो अल्टीमेटली वी शेयर्ड अ लॉट ऑफ डेटा, वी शेयर्ड अ लॉट ऑफ डेटा, ठीक है, और इतना डेटा हम लोगों ने शेयर किया कि हमारा रूम भी भर सकता है, ठीक है, इतना ज्यादा डेटा हम लोगों ने शेयर किया, एंड यू पीपल आल्सो आर वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, ओके, एंड एवरीबॉडी इज वेरी गुड, सो we will make this whole session, ठीक है, means the next 40 hours, apart from this 40 hours, ये 2 hours आज हो जाएगा, 38 hours, next 38 hours will be very interesting, और एक बात याद रखिएगा, हम लोग बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स करेंगे, ठीक है, हम लोग बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग प्रोजेक्ट करेंगे, सारा का सारा क्लाउड से कनेक्टेड होगा, फायरबेस से कनेक्टेड होगा, ट्रिपल टी से कनेक्टेड होगा, ठीक है, मैं सारा का सारा आपको ओवर द इंटरनेट करवाऊंगा, प्रोजेक्ट लेकर आप टेंशन मत लेना, वो मेरा डिपार्टमेंट, ओके, आई विल हेल्प यू, I will choose the project for you, do not worry. Each and every project will be excellent and you will agree with me. 100% you will agree with me. ठीक है, पर प्रोजेक्ट सिंपल नहीं होगा, ये थोड़ा याद रखिएगा, ठीक है, so this is going to be the scenario or the situation for the next 38 hours, for the next 40 hours. ठीक है, राहुल राज, अमृत अक्षर, क्लियर हुआ? सोमजीत, सोमजीत, ठीक है, राहुल राज, नो सर क्या कर रहे हो आप, व्हाट हैपेंड? ओके ओके फाइन, ओके ठीक है, वी स्पोक अ लॉट, टेक अ ब्रेक ऑफ 5 मिनट्स, ठीक है, थोड़ा रिफ्रेश हो जाइए, देन अगेन वी विल स्टार्ट, टेक अ ब्रेक ऑफ 5 मिनट्स, ओके, रिटर्न बैक इन 5 मिनट्स, राइट, टेक अ ब्रेक ऑफ 5 मिनट्स एंड वी विल स्टार्ट अगेन आफ्टर 5 मिनट्स, राइट, थैंक यू। Okay, fine. We are back again. So now, do everybody have Arduino IDE installed? Arduino IDE आप लोगों के पास है? Hello? No, नहीं है ना? ठीक है, ठीक है. Just a second. I am sharing the link. आप यहाँ से डाउनलोड कर लीजिएगा. तो इस वेबसाइट को यहाँ पर विजिट करिएगा. I've shared in the chat. एकदम लास्ट में विजिट करना है. Okay, starting में ही दे दिया है. देखिए यहाँ पर they have given the installer and the zip. So you download the installer. Okay, you download the installer for Windows 7 and up. The first one, you just click on this first one. पहले वाले पे क्लिक करिएगा. Okay, so next what you have to do, you don't have to. ये टोटल यहाँ पे डिपेंड करता है आप क्या करना चाहते हो. You just want to download or you want to contribute and download. So minimum is $3. So आप लोग देखिएगा यहाँ पर मेन है. यहाँ पर जस्ट डाउनलोड कर लीजिएगा. यहाँ पर ठीक है. यहाँ पर जस्ट डाउनलोड पे क्लिक करना. आप जस्ट क्लिक ऑन जस्ट डाउनलोड. ठीक है. The moment you click on just download, you can see that it is getting downloaded. देखो यहाँ पर started downloading. 112 MB it started downloading. Okay. Fast download, बहुत अच्छा डाउनलोड हो रहा है ये. So you can see it is getting downloaded, and after you download this, इसको कैंसिल कर देता हूँ क्योंकि मुझे नहीं चाहिए. I have already installed it. So आप यहाँ पर डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. डाउनलोड and that's it. हाँ, इफ आपके पास अगर Windows 10 है तो भी आप उसी लिंक पर क्लिक करेंगे. सब उसी लिंक पर क्लिक करेंगे. सब लिनक्स को यूज करता है क्या? डू एनीबॉडी हैज लिनक्स? लिनक्स है किसी के पास? नहीं है. मैक है किसी के पास? डू एनीबॉडी वर्क ऑन मैक? मैक नहीं है. Okay, so everybody is having Windows. Okay, so you just need to click on that particular link. You just need to click on that particular link and you just download it. So उसको आप डाउनलोड करके आप नॉर्मल जैसे कोई भी सॉफ्टवेयर आप इंस्टॉल करते हैं, डबल क्लिक करके आप सिंपली इंस्टॉल कर सकते हो. उसको थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, 5 to 10 minutes, and it will get installed. Once it gets installed, ये कुछ इस तरीके का होगा. This is the Arduino, this is the link. आपको यहाँ पर लिंक मिल जाएगा. ठीक है, ये आपको लिंक मिल जाएगा. आइकन मिल जाएगा आपको. दिस इज द आइकन. आफ्टर इंस्टॉलिंग विल गेट द आइकन. राइट. सो दिस इज द Arduino IDE. एक बात याद रखिएगा, Arduino में जो आप एक प्रोग्राम क्रिएट करते हैं, मतलब हम लोग एक फाइल क्रिएट करेंगे और जब उसको सेव करेंगे तो ये .ino एक्सटेंशन से सेव होता है. गेट सेव विद ino .ino एक्सटेंशन से सेव होता है. जैसे .c का फाइल आप सेव करते कैसे होता था? .c एक्सटेंशन से. जावा आप करते थे तो .java एक्सटेंशन से. पाइथन करते थे तो .py एक्सटेंशन से. क्लियर हो रहा है? उसी तरह ये सेव होता है .ino एक्सटेंशन से. Arduino एक्सटेंशन से. और याद रखिएगा यहाँ पर एक फाइल जो हम लोग क्रिएट करेंगे, दैट मींस व्हेन वी विल क्रिएट अ फाइल और वी विल क्रिएट अ प्रोग्राम, उसको स्केच कहते हैं. स्केच. Arduino में इसको स्केच कहते हैं, इसको प्रोग्राम नहीं कहते. इट्स कॉल्ड स्केच. ओके. दिस स्केच, जब आप कभी भी आप कोई भी स्केच तैयार करोगे तो आपका क्या करेगा? वो एक फोल्डर होगा. फोल्डर. ओके, फोल्डर. सपोज इस फोल्डर का नाम है ABCD. इसका नेम अगर ABCD है तो इस फोल्डर के अंदर आपका एक फाइल होगा. फाइल with .im extension. .im extension उस फाइल का नाम भी आपका abcd ही होगा. क्लियर हो रहा है? Getting the point? Clear हो रहा है सबका? Is it clear to everybody? Okay, अगर किसी का कोई डाउट है तो आप बोल सकते हो. So I think you know all these things, but those who don't know, मैंने just एक repeat कर दिया है और कुछ नहीं. जब भी आप आर्डिनो का स्केच तैयार करोगे, when you create a sketch, आपको दो मेथड्स बाय डिफॉल्ट हमेशा मिलता है. Two methods you will get by default. Always, 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 always. Two methods by default. Okay, one is called the setup, and the other one is loop. Other one is loop. So what is a void, and the return type of both method is void. Always remember that the return type of both method is void. So what is the void setup and what is the void loop? I will tell you that void setup, which you will always find at the top of your program. कभी भी आप एक sketch तैयार करोगे, whenever you will create a sketch, you will find this void setup at the top of your program. Okay, right? And you have to write the codes inside this curly bracket. And whatever code you write in this particular, whatever code you want to write in this particular setup method, whatever code that you want to write in this setup method, it will be executed only once. As soon as the program runs, as soon as the program executes, this setup method will be executed only once. Okay? ये सिर्फ एक बार एग्जीक्यूट होता है. ये सिर्फ एक बार एग्जीक्यूट होता है. Getting the point? Only once it is executed, only once. And void loop, whatever codes you write inside this curly bracket, that is the void loop. That is the void loop. Right? It is the method where you write your bulk code. Okay, or you write means where bulk of your Arduino sketch is executed over here. You can say the bulk of the Arduino sketch. माने bulk code हम लोग यहाँ लिखते हैं. Okay, so whatever you put inside this loop will run until and unless this closing bracket is executed. That is the curly ending curly bracket is executed. अच्छा, प्रोग्रामिंग का तो नॉलेज है सबका, तो सी प्रोग्रामिंग का नॉलेज है? Yes or no? Hello. सी प्रोग्रामिंग का नॉलेज है, ठीक है? वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस. क्या आप लोग बता सकते हैं? यस. Okay, okay. Amrit, actually, you are familiar with Java. Okay, fine, exactly. Right. Okay, what is the storage classes in C? What is the storage classes? C में storage class क्या होता है? Can anybody say what is storage class in C? What is storage class in C? Yes, anybody? Storage class क्या होता है C में? To define the scope of variables. Yes. कितने storage class होते हैं? How many storage classes are there? How many storage classes are there? Perfect. Moinak, you have given the correct answer. Okay, Moinak, tell me what is the difference between int a and auto int a? What is the difference? Okay, here we are actually here we are using this embedded C and C++, right? That's why I'm asking. What is the difference between int A and auto int A? What is the difference between int A and auto int A? And auto int is an automatic variable. So what is the difference between local variable and automatic variable? What is automatic variable? क्यों use करते हैं automatic variable? Okay, okay, MD Tabish, what is the local variable? Please tell me what is the local variable, and Moinak, you tell me what is an automatic variable. या फिर सबसे अच्छा ये दोनों के बीच में डिफरेंस क्या है ये बता दो मुझे. Yes, Omega Chakraborty, you are right. They are equivalent. They are equal. We commonly do not write auto specifier. Yes, this auto keyword, not a specifier keyword. अब आप लोग बोल रहे हो सी बहुत अच्छा है. Right, so you should take care of all these things. So C का थोड़ा रिवीजन दीजिएगा. Okay, okay, fine, fine, no issue. And those who अच्छा किसने बोला जावा में बहुत अच्छा नॉलेज है? Which one? Who said? अच्छा, Amritaksha. You are more familiar with Java. Okay, Amritaksha, please tell me what is the base class of Java? What is the base class in Java? Okay, okay, okay. No problem, Amritaksha. You just tell me what is the base class in Java. Base class in Java. You are not sure. Okay. Object class. Object class. Yes. Yes. That is called the base class. Yes. Esha is right, and one more student is right. That is Somjit. Somjit asked me. Okay. Oil was said. Oil was said. Yes. Object class. Yes. Object class. Right. Acha. Can we say in Java exceptions are object? Can we say that in Java exceptions are object? No, means exceptions are not objects. Yes, in Java, yes. Somjit is right. In Java, exceptions are objects. Means when you are throwing an exception, that means you are throwing an object. Okay, which objects? The objects, those objects whose classes descend from the throwable. Isn't it? When we are throwing an exception, that means we are throwing an object. Right? So but the base is throwable. Base is throwable. ओके ओके फाइन फाइन। तो फिर जावा तो बहुत अच्छा पता है सबको, ठीक है, बहुत ही ज्यादा पता है, राइट। ओके, माय क्वेश्चंस आर दैट, क्या बहुत ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूं मैं? Am I asking much difficult questions? Am I asking difficult questions? क्या क्वेश्चंस सारा डिफिकल्ट है? Yes, getting to learn. Yeah, actually, you know, Lebuti, I just one thing came into mind. My guide told me once or before. Okay, and I also read it from somewhere. Yes, that the most important thing from learning is the art of learning. The most important thing from learning is the art of learning. Means first we must learn the art of learning. Okay, then only we'll be able to learn something. Otherwise, learning without the art of learning is not possible, or is not called learning. Okay, so these things we must keep in mind. Right. Bytecode is executed by JVM, but कोई कहता है कि bytecode is actually executed by JRE. Right. So we should must take care of all these things. ठीक है, सीखो, आप लोग पहले सीखिए, बेस को क्लियर कर लीजिए, ज्यादा हाई फाई में जाने की जरूरत नहीं है, ठीक है, right? Yes, it is the heart of Java, exactly. Acha, I will just give you a question that you have got, your class has got a method. If a class has got a method, the class has got a static block, it has got an instance block. Okay, means it has got a method, a class has got a method, a class has got a method, it's got a static block, it's got an instance block, okay, and it has got a constructor. In what order it will be, means in what order they will be executed? In what order it will be executed? Means what should be the execution order? If the class has a method, the class has a static block, the class has an instance block, the class has a constructor. You tell me. You tell me what will be the order? What will be the order of execution? Yes. Yes. What will be the yes? What will be the order of means? What about the rest? Why Amritaksha and Acha? अच्छा, यूनिकोड क्या है जावा में? व्हाट इज यूनिकोड? Instance block is nothing. This is an instance block. On whatever you write. This is called instance block. Simple. Okay. Much of that Java we did. You all have a very good knowledge. थोड़ा सा रिफ्रेशमेंट की जरूरत है, थोड़ा सा रिवाइज कर लो, अच्छा हो जाएगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। ठीक है, यू आर ऑल आर वेरी गुड, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, वेरी नाइस, सबका नॉलेज बहुत अच्छा है। অমৃতাক্ষ, তুমি কমা আর ডাবল কোটেশন লাগিয়ে মানে এত ভালো করে অ্যান্সার গুলো সাজিয়ে দিচ্ছ, ঠিক আছে, মিন্স হ্যাটস অফ টু ইউ। Yes, yes, yes. Okay, okay. Meghna Nair has also given the correct answer, exactly correct answer. ठीक है, ठीक है, चलो चलो, परफेक्ट है, ठीक है। आज हम लोग इतना ही करेंगे। नो 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 नो, it's mandatory to learn C programming. It's mandatory, it's not mandatory to learn Java. Zero knowledge of Java, leave Java. It is mandatory to learn C programming. Okay, it's mandatory to learn C programming, not Java. Always C programming. C programming knowledge is clear, then everything is clear. If you have knowledge of C programming, then your Java will also be clear. Okay, so you don't need to learn Java, nothing. You have to learn only, yes. তুমি অমৃতাক্ষ, তুমি সি প্রোগ্রামিংটা পড়ো, ঠিক আছে, ইন্টারভিউতে অনেক হেল্প হবে, ঠিক আছে, নাহলে একটু প্রবলেমে পড়ে যেতে পারো, সি প্রোগ্রামিংটা দেখে নাও, ঠিক আছে, ইন্টারভিউতে অনেক হেল্প হবে তোমার, টিসিএস এর ইন্টারভিউতে এসব লাগবেই লাগবে। ओके, सो टुडे वी हैव डन इनफ सेशन, बहुत ही अच्छा रहा, ठीक है, एवरीवन इज एक्सीलेंट, एक्सीलेंट, सब अच्छे हैं, ठीक है। सो लेट्स डू वन थिंग, आई एम जस्ट शेयरिंग यू दैट गूगल फॉर्म, ठीक है, प्लीज आप लोग अपना अटेंडेंस अभी दे दो, ठीक है, हमारे पास 10 to 15 मिनट्स है, तो मैं 15 मिनट्स में आप लोग अटेंडेंस देकर आप लोग लीव कर जाना, ठीक है, क्योंकि सबको देने में एटलीस्ट 5 to 10 मिनट्स तो लगेगा ही, ठीक है। तो मैं शेयर कर रहा हूँ, आई एम शेयरिंग दिस गूगल फॉर्म, ओके फाइन, जस्ट वेट। Okay, I have shared the Google form. Okay, I have shared the Google form. Please, everybody, open this Google form, this attendance form, and just give your attendance, please. It's mandatory. Just before the starting of the session, Jit sir has already announced that this is actually managed by your college authority. So it's mandatory to give your attendance. Otherwise, you will be marked as absent. Okay, so consider this at the utmost important. right? And I will give this Google form every day at the end, okay, not in between the class, otherwise our class will get disturbed. I will give you at the end when 5 to 7 minutes will be left. I will give you this attendance form. Okay, in the last 5 to 7 minutes, you just give the attendance and you may leave. I think 5 to 7 minutes is enough, more than enough. Okay, so everybody please start giving your attendance, please. First this thing, first attendance. Is this clear to everyone? Yes, 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 yes. Those who have filled up, they can leave. Yeah, yeah. If it is mentioned, yeah, 5, starting from 5. Please do not leave without giving attendance. Welcome, welcome everybody. Welcome, Amandeep. Welcome, Ishita. Okay, thank you. Thank you, everybody. From the next day, we are going to start in the flow. Thank you. Thank you, Sonali. Thank you. Thank you, Purushottam. Thank you, Ria. Thank you, Mainak. Thank you, Archie. Thank you, Ranima. Thank you, Sayan. Both Shayan Mondol also, Shayan Sinha also. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Shalini, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Devajyoti. Thank you. Payal, thank you. Thank you, Payal. Hello, rest of the students, have you given your attendance? Yeah, rest of the students, did you give your Sanjay Nath, did you give your attendance? Ranveer Singh Kumar Singh, did you give your attendance? Rahul Kumar, Kriti Mojumdar, Vantika Sen, did you give your attendance? Amandeep Seth, Rahul Kumar, did you give your attendance? Hello, rest of the person who are present over here, did you give your attendance? Hello, Vantika Sen, did you Rahul Kumar, Ranveer Singh, and Sanjay Nath. Please give your attendance, please.